Hi there, Stephen Cafaro, President and CEO of CC Stevens and Associates, better known to you as Dr. Static. Today I want to talk about static control in industrial applications. Simco Ion, in partnership with CC Stevens since 1978, have been static experts in the industries of industrial ionization and industrial static control. Not only do we handle semiconductor and med device and general electronics type applications, but as static experts, we're able to solve problems no matter what the industry is. But today I want to focus with Simco Ion's industrial group and some of their products and the do's and don'ts when you go in to solve your static problems. So today let's talk about what's new in static control for industrial applications. What's new from Simco Ion, and they've been wonderful at doing it. Simco Ion reinvents themselves every couple of years with newer technologies to enhance static mitigation in industrial markets. I want to talk to you about their IQ system. Their IQ system is independent ionization that allows us now to neutralize charges from anywhere from 2 inches up to 30 inches away without the use of air. If any of your static mitigation devices you're buying now, if any static bars you're using require CDA or compressed air to operate, no, get rid of those, right? We can move ions in any application without the use of air from 2 inches up to that 30 inches that I mentioned. So with our IQ Easy product. Our IQ Easy product has built-in power supplies. That power supply allows us to run these things in speed mode, which is anywhere from 2 inches to 8 inches away from a target, to our hybrid mode, which is 8 inches to 18 inches away from our target, and to our distance bar mode, which goes from 18 inches to about 30. With those three scenarios, we don't use air to move ions. We get the mobility right through our technology. Our IQ LP bar takes it to the next level. This is one bar, low profile. This is my bar of choice. This allows me to manipulate those ions, again, from 2 inches all the way up to about 20 inches with different ionization technologies that Simco Ion offers. We have it in both DC steady state mode. We can pulse this bar in a pulse mode, and then we can take it one step further and pulse overlap. By allowing that manipulation of ions, we can neutralize a target without the use of air at a fixed mounted location. Now, either the IQ Easy or the IQ Easy LP all then communicate back to our control station. Now, those products will work at standalone, but if you want full intelligent static control capabilities, we would like you to utilize our control station. The control station allows us to operate 10 different static control devices, with each device showing up as an icon on that screen. That information that's given back to us allows us to know the efficiency of the bar, if there's any fault with the bar, or if we need to do any cleaning of the bar. All that is brought back to that control station. We can take it one step further. We can then, up to 6 sensor bars with our sensor module, plug in 6 sensor modules that can either do closed loop feedback of that static bar, react real time to what that web is seeing and have the static bar act to that, or we can run that sensor module in a third-party mode where it's measuring electrostatic fields after it passes or before it passes that static bar. So think of the sensor module as basically a fixed-mounted handheld field meter. So now you get real-time static measurements at your web of what might be going on. Where might that be critical? Hazardous locations, coding applications, operator safety issues. All that is critical that we know real time back at our control station of what's going on with our static mitigation devices. It also allows us with that sensor module to set points so we can be alerted or alarmed if that static charge gets to an unsafe level. All that can report back to our control station. So in summary, when we talk about the new IQ product from Simco Ion, let's get rid of the old school legacy stuff that's giving us no feedback. Let's get rid of static bars that require CDA or compressed air. None of that is needed. Reach out to experts like us at CC Stevens. We can help you pick the right product, where it goes, where it should go, and whatever application assistance you need. If you're out of our region here with CC Stevens, and we cover most of the West Coast for Simco Ion, there are static experts that work for Simco Ion or rep companies just like myself that can manage this in any one of your territories. So reach to the experts, start buying solutions, not just products, and get those products to match your application. Thanks for spending a little time with us. Call us here at our office at 805-658-0207. Reach us by email at www.ccsteven.com, or hey, our new one, www.drstatic.com. Ask your questions. Let us assist you in your applications and make sure the products you are buying are solving the problems that you have. Have a great day, and thanks for spending some time with us.